What's going on?
There's some dead bees with some spider webbing up here. I don't know if those were the ones that I put up there last time.
Probably. Oh, there's quite a bit of beetle stuff going on in here. 4, 5, 6 beetles over there.
Yeah. Well, and whatever that is.
Some ants. Okay. There's a moth right there. Yeah.
Oop.
Yep, I'm seeing beetles a little bit crawling around.
Oh, there's all kinds of them up on the top of that. Though.
Yeah, I see that. I probably should tap them down.
Ah, okay, careful. You're like dumping stuff all over the place.
Oh, the syrup.
Yep.
Oh, they're balling something up here.
Be careful, you're getting your hand all in the syrup.
Yeah, what are you balling up here, girls? I'm not sure what they're balling.
Okay, you want to
I'm gonna tap these girls down into the hive.
Okay, careful, there's like... Oh, there. Is it time to take the skip things out or not yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put them on the ground. It's fine. Or put them on the table, whatever.
Oh,
Ooh.
there. What? What is in that?
I don't know.
Is that just propolis, maybe, that got in there?
It could be propolis. It could just be... There's a lot of beetle larvae in here, too. It could just be they chased the beetle larvae into it.
Oh.
And that is the result. That we're going to need a new container of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna need 2 new traps.
Go grab those?
Yeah, if you would prep them, that's fine.
Okay. Well, I might wait.
Yeah, I guess that's true. We should probably wait. Well, let's just see how these are doing. Alright, so this hive is the one where we haven't seen a queen in 2 inspections. So we're gonna see if we can get a queen. We did get a new queen to put in here in the case we don't see her, which is entirely plausible at this point. Let me throw that one over there. This is honey, so I'm gonna leave this on up here.
Okay. Check over it.
I didn't. I'm looking first. It's honey and bee bread. Honey and bee bread. I don't see any hive beetles on this frame. Or larvae. That's the other thing I'm looking for, is the hive beetle larvae.
Oh, yeah.
This is definitely honey. Definitely honey. Girl, you got your tongue stuck out. That's weird. Unless you were just eating and fell into my hand. I guess that's possible.
I mean, there appears to be a decent number of bees yet, but...
Yeah. You are correct. Let's see what's the news, count frequency, Kenneth. Let's see. No beetles on this one either yet.
Okay. You definitely saw some in the top of that thing.
Yeah.
So we're going to want to check that before we stick that on.
Yeah. Okay.
And we'll put new beetle traps in.
There's 4 out. So.
Okay. Honey and like
Honey and pollen on this one.
on that side. I'm looking for a queen. Just in case.
Just in case, yep. I'm also looking to see if we have a laying worker. That's the other thing.
Yeah, but this is all food.
Yeah.
Food stores.
Yep. But they've been without a queen long enough that theoretically there would be a laying worker somewhere.
Yeah. But that might be more likely in the bottom box.
Oh yeah, definitely in the bottom box, I would imagine. Oh, that's as light as can be.
It's starting to store stuff, but it just makes sense later. I mean, they're a decently loud hum,
Yeah.
which is what they do when they're not queen right.
Oh, there's a beetle right there. Gotcha. No, I got it, girl. I got it.
But I'm not seeing like an overrun of beetle larvae, so
That's a good sign, based off what we learned last year.
yeah.
Well, they haven't run up to the top with the beetle larvae. We put the a pal and patty in between this one and the bottom.
Did we?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, then it's gone, whatever was there, because I see nothing. They ate it all.
Did they?
I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, it's completely gone then.
And it wasn't in the top where the
paper would have
beetle
been.
traps and stuff were. They ate everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you, girls.
We're gonna need to pick up some food or buy some food. And,
Yep. Grab it. Such dark honey on this side. Okay, well, the fact there's not a ton of stuff overrunning this is a really good sign.
Alright, just push one beetle that was climbing up the inside of the...
Do me a favor, let's put that one back in here, and then I'm going to hand you these so that we can lift this off easier, one at a time.
All right,
We'll store it right back in.
End?
Yeah, we'll just store it right in here. Yep, go ahead and throw it in.
And then where are you going to want those?
Over that one, yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Because these are super heavy.
Just have to remember which order we put them down in.
We're going to put them in reverse.
Yep.
Here.
That came out this way, right?
Yep. Better come on the other side. Use the...
This is the way you can...
I know.
You want me to turn it around?
Yep.
You want me to put it on this way?
Yeah. The other way. Other way, yep.
What's the number of bees in there yet?
Yeah. Okay.
Want me to grab it?
If you would, that'd be awesome. Alright. Let's see what we got down here. Let's grab that silver.
Yeah. I'm just gonna... A little smoke?
Yeah.
Which way are you gonna start from?
I'm gonna pull from this one and pull up.
Okay.
I think we pulled this.
That's all honey.
Yeah, that's on the outside. I would imagine it would be honey. That's true.
Oh, there's a beetle.
Where at?
It went around
Oh,
the
here it
bottom.
is. There, it's right there in the middle. Oh no. Come on, girls.
I really don't want to squish your honey.
Keep pushing it.
Get over here. Over here.
Oh, that's on the other side. Oh. Oh. It's fine.
There's another one that's on this side. Coming through the middle here. Yep, chase her. Chase it! Chase it!
Have a crawl on your toe, maybe.
I'm trying. Get out of those holes. Yeah, get in there and get it. Get in there and get it. Yeah, grab it.
We'll get it here in a second. There's another one over here too, on the edge.
Coming through the top again. Yeah, you had it. No, there's no place for you to go. You dumb bug.
Yep. Okay, there's one right here on the edge, right here by my finger.
It's down in there.
That's fine.
It's just sitting. I can't. It's not moving.
Okay.
Nothing here.
Not yet. They've not gone crazy yet.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure this is.
This is lighter.
Those are empty.
Yeah. Oh, it's honey. They're filling it with honey.
Okay, I was gonna say as long as there's open spaces for the new queen to lay.
Well, there's a lot in that one for her to lay. Oh. That's all pollen.
Now, we put that queen box in. Are we gonna put it in the bottom?
Yeah, oh yeah. Like right in between one of these frames.
Will it fit in between?
Yeah, we will figure out a way. That's pollen. That is pollen with lots of empty slot spaces, but the thought being she can start laying. You're really loud. That's all pollen. That's all pollen.
Are there empty spaces?
Not yet. Well,
Maybe there's that one frame with nothing on it in the top, but that doesn't really help.
no. This is the
space
No,
in that
that's not got any space in it. Nope, not this one.
one? Do you have any more butterfly?
No. I don't.
And our only option would be to try and pull a frame out of the other five.
Well, unless we find... Well, there's a capped queen cell.
Is it capped?
Yeah. We don't know how old it is, though.
Yeah, but that's not very big.
It is not very big. You are not wrong.
I mean, so...
But there's lots of space for her to lay in this area.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of space on this side.
I mean, it seems, if we're not seeing any other eggs or larvae, it seems like...
Yeah, I'm going to destroy this.
Okay.
It'll be interesting to see if they actually had anything inside of it. I don't know. Take that and put that on the table. Okay, I'm going to leave that right in the middle, because that's where we want her to start laying. Oh, sorry, girl. I nicked you.
See any sign of mites or anything either? Or you're not really looking?
I'm looking, but I don't see any wing deformities or anything, which is the usual.
Our bigger problem is just lack of queen.
Yeah. Oh, God. I know. Up this one.
Are you gonna check this last one?
Jeez Louise. I'm just not having a great day. I know. I am really sorry, girls. That's lots of pollen.
Frame on the end, or just let it be? It's mostly honey.
You know what, though? I'm going to put that next to the other one.
Go get the other queen one yet, or no?
Here in a second, yeah.
I know, Frankie.
It's because I screwed up pretty bad there. I'm not happy. I know.
Are you gonna look at that one, or you just...
Oh yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm going to look at all of them if we're going to look at them all.
Alright, well that's the last one, right?
Yep. No, I just need to give myself a little bit more finger space.
That one's mostly empty, that could go in the middle too.
Nope, it's mostly honey. Uncapped honey.
I don't know if you got a lot of girls here on the side here.
It's okay.
On the
I know. Yep.
Not as many fine kilos as
We were expecting.
I'd be concerned about.
Yep.
Let me know if I shall go retrieve.
Yeah, go ahead and get the queen. Well, not on this one, but
Do you want me to set her on top and see how they react?
yeah, let's do that. We wanted to put it right in the middle here.
Yeah, but we want to set it sideways, right? We don't want to set the other like down.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna put it down when we.
How's it? They look like they're trying to
Oh,
stay.
that one's being naughty. I don't know. This one.
Yeah, do you see that one? I've seen that one.
Stop it.
Yeah,
They're okay. Well, that one's trying to sting too.
yeah. And that one.
Just let it go. Let's see what happens.
You don't have another queen.
How about we smoke them? Oh man. Stop it. Jeez, you're gonna be your new mama. Come on. Sorry. I guess we'll just try to put it.
Hang on, like, so these ones, they don't let you gonna stop. Like, some of them are reacting, like, fine, and then other ones are, like, trying to be, like, stingy.
Yeah.
And I can't... Like, so then there's some over on the
So
end.
we're gonna leave an empty space where that last frame is.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's what we're gonna leave right here in the center
Okay.
on the top blocks, and then we'll just leave it.
Are we gonna leave her, so we're gonna put her in the top?
We're just gonna leave it right here. But
Okay.
I'm gonna have it be.
You wanna put it sideways, I think.
That's fine.
But it won't fit in between those two?
Well, it will, but then she'll be squished. I want them to interact. So we're just gonna make it so that the box above doesn't have a frame in this spot.
Okay.
All right, come on. Let's. Yep.
Okay, so which spot is that? Number 4?
So just pull the 4 frames forward to this side. Yeah, that other thing was just a propolized queen cell.
If they end up deciding to kill her, there isn't really anything to do about that.
Yeah, there's nothing we could do about it. It's kind of just a bummer more than anything else.
puppy.
No, we disrupted everything, but we had to be sure. Yep.
Checking for beetles in those.
Yep. They're not. They're just dead bees. Is that one ready?
Yep, that one's ready.
Or I'll throw them in. Right on the other side, not over near between two away from the gap.
This,
Yeah, that's fine
Where-
right there.
okay, you girls gotta go down.
You can pull the frame. Yep, perfect. You
Get-
got it.
I know. Get out from under there. Get out from under there. No. Alright, let me get the other one ready.
Yeah, I know. You really don't want me here. I got it. I got it. No, I got you. You don't have to sting my ear. It's fine.
Where you want this one?
On this side by your thumb, right there.
Here? In the...
No, do the two away. Yep. Yep.
Alright, get out from under. Get out. Get out. Yeah, get out of there. Out. 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 Okay.
Okie dokie.
Look down and see what they were doing.
Trust us. We know. We know. You were cranky for a little bit, but hopefully you give this new mama a chance.
Give bees a chance.